so we're gonna start on the top first. Comb this out real quick. We're gonna use my clipper over comb. He doesn't want a lot of bulk, so I'm just gonna go from right here, almost like the temple peak area right here, and I'm gonna go down all the way over here. Right here. While we're still here on this step, I'm gonna grab my 3 guard and open up the lever. All right, so once we have done the sides, and he combs this, or you comb it this way, right? This way, to the right. Kind of separate about 2-3 fingers from the top. I'm gonna first cut a vertical section from right here, and then just follow along. You cut something straight, and then now you're connecting it horizontally, bro, to make it even. It's kind of like a square. I'm gonna start from the temple peak right here. Go down about a finger's width. His occipital bone is almost right here. We're gonna give him like a mid-high fade, so we're gonna attack that occipital bone. So now with the 1 guard lever open, we're gonna go about 2 fingers. I'm gonna split this line with the 1 guard lever open with the half, which is the lever open. Next thing is now, we're gonna work our way backwards now. So we're gonna go 3 guard again. So work that base that we created, kind of just clean up the area. Gonna close it, gently just feather to the top. Now we're gonna go with the next guard, which is gonna be the 2. We got the trimmer, the half, 1.5. We're gonna go 2.5 right here. Gonna close it. Do the same thing, but I'm applying a little bit less pressure. Just gonna go ahead and remove all this bulk right here. We have all of this that we just kind of just debulked with our soft trimmer. This is our hard trimmer, which is sharper. We're gonna give ourselves like a finger and just already start flicking up to that line. And everything below that, we're gonna shave. So we go there, and then we go back. This, bronze series 9, that finger, we're just gonna flick up to that. We're gonna blend from here to here only. Using my saber clipper with the lever open right now, kind of just retouching that line that we just made. So I like setting guidelines with my JRL, and I like finishing off the blend with this guard right here. We're gonna go midway now. Hit the midway point of the line. And I'm gonna put it at the quarter close to almost finish off the blend. close it all the way and kind of just gently tap, because it was already almost fully blended, so I don't want to really take that line up any higher. We're working from here all the way here, lever open. Midway. It's a guideline, we're gonna hit it midway now. A quarter closed, almost all the way closed. Kind of just gently tapping that beginning of the line. And then we're gonna close it all the way. And hit that beginning of the line right there. The next step now, we're gonna go in with our half guard. We're gonna go about a finger's width above with the lever open. Gonna close it to the 3/4 open. Now we're gonna work our way down a little bit. So now I'm gonna close it and basically hit the beginning of the line right here. So we went from open to 3/4 to middle to now closed. We're gonna basically repeat the same thing. We're gonna go one guard, lever open to close now again. So kind of just making sure that we set that guideline. Kind of just flicking up. Go midway. This is a little bit more on the trickier, because kind of just have to know how high you're going just by focusing. There's really no guidelines right now. And close it. You can hear that shit cut. Next, 1.5 guard. Now we're blending that 1.5 into the 2 guard. So lever open again, repeating the same process basically. Midway. It's more like lever play now. Lever play is when you kind of just pay attention to the hair. What's cutting, what's not cutting. Some detailing real quick. We're gonna use my YS-Par comb with my faded culture shears. We're gonna work that 1.5 area to the 2.5 area. As I get to the top, I'm just kind of just feathering out with my comb. We're gonna style this fairly quickly, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply some Slick Gorilla sea salt spray. I'm gonna use some faded cultured hair gel.